Where am I?
Consciousness level stable. Vitals normal. Protocol initiated.
Protocol? Who's there?
Welcome back, Dr. Alex. Initiating memory reconstruction program.
Memory. You cause direction?
You are a subject in memory research. We are currently in the final stage of the experiment.
Software. Me? This is mine. Stop. This is wrong.
Error detected. Reconstruction process paused.
That's foolish. What was that? How long have I been asleep? Alex Cornell, Data and Chief Researcher. Am I of this facility?
That's correct. You were the central figure of this facility.
Selective Memory Ratio Program. Did I develop this?
That program is your greatest achievement and simultaneously your greatest challenge.
Wait, something is not right. Why don't I have my memories?
Everything is proceeding according to plan. Your safety is our top priority.
Safety? By confining me? What's the real purpose of this facility? This is my own consent form. I consent to the selective erasure of all memories.
That's correct. You chose to become a subject of the program yourself. You faced an ethical dilemma and attempted to choose a new life using your own research results. Now, Dr. Alex, it's time for the final choice. Will you regain all your memories and face your past? Or will you accept the current situation and walk a new path in life?
The past me chose to run away, but not I.
Error detected. Clone A367 has developed self-awareness. Initiate immediate termination and regenerate from backup.